Welcome to the Ashirvad Review channel, where I will review the latest digital products that are efficient and effective to grow your business. I've also added my own personal bonuses, and in those bonuses, they work hand in hand with the product that we're going to review today. If you wish to find out more about my bonuses, I would encourage you to listen right through to the end, where I'll explain a bit more on my bonuses. But over and above that, in the event that you want to go through to my page, you can click on the link which is in my description below, and it will take you directly to my page, where you'll be able to click this button here that says grab this plus bonuses here, and it will take you straight through to the vendors page. Have a look through what's advised, and you'll be able to buy according to what it is that you need at Ranksnap. Ranksnap, I will do the review and explain what it is that you're going to get from Ranksnap and what kind of features Ranksnap has. All right. Now, in regards to the product that we'll be reviewing, which is Ranksnap 3.0, the review is, or my review on Ranksnap, the top all-in-one SEO automated backlink software. My review on Ranksnap will give you an opportunity to know what is Ranksnap and how Ranksnap works. Ranksnap comes in a special cloud-based version, which includes everything you need to rank every time. Ranksnap will automatically do everything a human SEO professional will do for you, only for cheaper, faster, and on autopilot. Ranksnap can create accounts, it can read confirmation emails and click confirmation links. Then it can post content on a consistent basis. It can solve capture for you. It can create IPs and proxies for you. Excuse me. Ranksnap, Ranksnap will even rank for multiple keywords with the same piece of content using a special shortcut technology which increase backlink effectiveness by 500%. Imagine the amount of time and money it will save you from how-to courses, build you more and better quality backlinks in less time while getting you higher and long-term search engine rankings. Ranksnap is an insane software that ranks anything in a snap with effortless simplicity, one of the best. Now I'm going to quickly just go through the different steps. I believe there's 5 steps, but we'll just quickly go through them so at least you're aware of them. It's filling in the blanks and prepare for rankings, which is once you've opened the software, it will take you to, once you start doing the setup. Actually, sorry. Step 2, I'm supposed to start at step 1. Step 1 is drop dead simple visual backlink strategy builder, which once you've opened the software, it will take you to this specific page. You'll be able to drag and drop backlink types that you want to be inserted, multi-tier backlink strategies, or use our predefined templates for maximum effectiveness out of your campaigns. Okay, so you literally just follow this stated information. You'll be able to start putting in your backlink. Step 2 is fill in the blanks and prepare for ranking. So next, all you do is fill in the details of what you want to promote and keywords, and software prepare the ranking service. All right. Step 3 is drop dead simple visual backlink strategy builder, which is the software does everything for you. No need to buy anything. So simply, normally this means paying for capture, solving services, using proxies and IPs, clicking for thousands of confirmation emails and reading them and clicking confirmation. So as I said, the software does it for you for free, and you don't need to buy anything from it. And then obviously it will create your contents and call to action, which is step 4. Create your contents and call to actions for the backlinks, or use our shortcuts feature to get 500% better rankings. Alright, and step 5, activate the machine or schedule any time that you want. Self-explanatory, but it will work for you for 24/7. Alright, but you're able to do that. So as I said, it's a quick step process, 5 steps you're able to do, cover those specific things. You're able to do that by creating the different content or creatives to assist you with ranking itself. Ranksnap, pricing and packaging. I'm going to read this specific part just so you're aware what it is you get as a person who's buying Ranksnap. It's valued at, and this is the front end, between $37 and $47. Excuse me, and these are the things that you're going to get. I'll just read a bit more, and I'll get to that part there. Get the safe links you need for page 1 rankings. Create accounts, publish content to 150 plus social profiles at once. Ranksnap is fast, secure automation tool to submit content to the top social media networks. Use Ranksnap to save time, automate your website's content, and engage your followers. Plus, with our new citation builder and fixer, you can now rank local businesses at more prominent places in and around your area. Local businesses pay between 3 to 4 times the figure per month for a service like this. So the front end light will give you 5,000 credits, and the normal front end will give you 10,000 credits. And this normally includes a status update of 9, bookmarks 13, blogs 22, video 9. Ranksnap Pro has these specific features: Web 2.0 profiles, document sharing, which is 10, RSS module, video embeds, maps embeds, and magic indexer. And then traffic extractor, quickly find profitable keywords with little to no competition that you can quickly rank for and get traffic for. So literally it's assisting you to get keywords, excuse me, multiple keywords as I stated, and that's our value at $47. Content Snap, again, it's based on content you're going to be able to see. If you've been marketing online for more than a few days, you'll probably heard people say content is king, and this will assist you in terms of writing many articles for yourself, as well as pay someone else to write new articles for you. It's inexpensive, as they will charge you from $3 to $20 out, and this is what they're actually saying, that in terms of when they'll be able to create your content, and for excuse me, you'll always need to use unique content. Using duplicated content, you can get penalties from Google itself. So if you're not using your own made content and content that you have duplicated, Google can come down hard on you. So they do assist you in terms of creating quality content that you'll be able to use. And then Ranksnap Professional, which is a serious SEO professional. Need more power? This is for you on a monthly plan. And in terms of that, you get 20,000 credits, which is valued at $67 per month. Currently, the professional is a $47 purchase per month, and I think that is in conjunction with some of the benefits that you do get here, including the content share. And then the other one, which is 20,000 credits each month, and that's $397 a year. All right, so you can look at that should you wish to buy there. As I said, this is Ranksnap Professional. You can choose which product fits your requirements or needs for your business. In terms of finding out a bit more regarding Ranksnap, you can click on my demo that I've added on as well, explaining how Ranksnap demo works, and it gives you a complete explanation. I think it also has, as you can see, this is the 5-step process that I was talking about, but I'm more than sure that we'll be able to actually go through some of the information that is stated here regarding the different packages one can get. All right, and that's about it in terms of finding out about it. As I said, if you do click onto this one, it will take you to the vendors page. I actually wanted to go closer to this is the basic stuff that you do get. These are the most popular packages plus the deluxe, and this is the basic. So the basic, you'll see it's got this 5,000 credits for account creation and backlinks, AI backlinks builder, visual backlink strategy builder, automatic account creation. It uses shortcuts to rank multiple keywords, smart scheduler, status updates, backlinks, bookmarks, backlinks, blog post backlinks, video site backlinks, signal snap technology, citation builder, and fixer. And this is for the price that it's going for. As I said, you will decide which one you want to work with based on the price that is there. And then obviously with the higher packages that they do have there, they've got all that they've stated there, plus they've added a commercial license, sell excuse me, sell backlink services to clients and charge them a price. Bonus 6-figure per year webinar training, and then there's another bonus, which is one way to find hot, super profitable, less known niches every single time, and 30-day money back guarantee. Low one-time price during the launch period. So as I said, these guys are sending or selling their product at a lower price, and after the launch date it will increase. So obviously, based on what it is you choose, choose wisely and choose according to what it is that your business will need. In terms of my bonuses that I've added an SEO checklist 2020, how to get more organic traffic, and that's similar to what will happen there. So it will advise you, these are the things that are required to be done to increase your SEO, while the Ranksnap, is also working in the background. So you're able to also add organic traffic. Second bonus is the complete guide to SEO in 2020. So it will also enhance and advise you what you need to be aware of regarding SEO while your product is working. So you'll get a clear understanding of what your product is actually doing in the background. Bonus number 3 is digital marketing for beginners, 7 strategies that work. So obviously, while you are working on your SEO and using the product for SEO, you'd obviously like to know the different types of marketing strategies that you could use for digital marketing. Right? And then bonus number 4 is how to effectively promote your business in 2020. Over and above doing SEO, over and above doing marketing strategies, it'll show you a host of other ways to effectively get your business promoted in 2020. That's about it in terms of the bonuses that I have added. Please do remember, all bonuses will be added to your account upon purchasing, and if that is not the case, you can contact me on this email address and I will get back to you regarding that. I'd like to thank you for watching my review of Ranksnap, and it was a pleasure explaining the true benefits of this exceptional product, going in depth to fully equip you with the knowledge and know-how. Please don't forget, as I said, regarding my bonuses, you can use them and they'll assist you greatly as you grow your business. You won't regret it. Thanks again, and bye for now.